know y'all out there scribbling for an appetizer
Okay.
recipe. Well, I'm here to tell you, I got you, baby. This buffalo chicken dip was very nice. I seasoned some chicken breasts with my all-purpose seasoning. That video is actually from a few months ago before my season was actually out. But now, you go ahead and buy them and get them on your shelves, baby. Very nice.
Season that meat,
some
man.
Epics, olive oil, and some smoked chipotle chili pepper. And go ahead and get some bacon nice and crispy. Remove it from the pan, but save that grease, because we're going to sear that chicken right in there. We're just looking to get a nice color on them and finish in the oven, baby. Then in that same pan, saute down some onions, throw in some garlic, then add in some butter. Because everything's butter with butter, man. Kill the heat and shred the chicken up and add it to that same pan. Add in some diced jalapenos and the rest of the ingredients you see on the screen. The buffalo sauce is simple. It's just butter with your favorite hot sauce. Or you can just use pre-made buffalo sauce. That's your business, baby. Add some green onions and mix everything together. Then we're going to add some more shredded cheese on top and bake that thing in the oven at 400 till the cheese start to melt, baby. I make some tortilla chips just using some flour tortilla. You can use corn tortilla as well to do this. You just got to fry them things up and all we got to do is eat, baby. Very nice.
Very nice.